Whatever your KAVU day activity is, the Power Pouch will keep you organized. Constructed from a 600D polyester that's water resistant, you have a KAVU patch logo on the front, side release buckle that opens up for ultimate organization. This pouch has full zipper pockets on each side, elastic to hold all your goodies safely, daisy chain elastic in the center. This will hold anything from paintbrushes to knitting needles to bait and fishing gear. For creative types, hold all your camera accessories. If you're out biking, put your emergency repair kit in here. For hiking, this doubles as your med kit. Organize your snacks. Anything you can come up with, the Power Pouch will hold it, organize it, and is ready to go.